Hello, my dear children. Welcome to math class. Today's topic is addition. We will understand how to solve word problems. Clue words for addition are in all, altogether, added to, on these, both, some, total, more than, combined, increased by, additional. So all these are clue words for addition. If you have any of these words, then it's an addition word problem. So, in any question, if you'll find these words, that means you need to perform addition. Correct? So, kindly keep all these words in your mind. Question: in our football match, the attendance on Saturday was 4,226 and on Sunday the attendance was 2,356. In all, how many persons watched the match on these 2 days? Can you find the clue word over here? Yes, the clue word is all. That means we need to perform addition. Point number 1. Point 2, how to write the statements. So statements, we will directly take it from the questions. So this is point 2. So these 2 points you need to remember. How to write statements? Statements, we will directly take it from the question and we need to find the clue word. Okay? Now solution. See how I am writing the statements. In the football match, attendance on Saturday equals to 4,226. Attendance on Sunday equals to 2,356. These statements I have directly taken from the question. You can see. Now, the clue word all says that we need to perform addition. So let's do it. Total number of persons who watched the match equals to 4,226 plus 2,356. Now put a line and we will add. Write the places ones, tens, hundreds and thousand and put the number. The digits should be placed at its place. Okay. So here 6 is at ones place, 2 is at tens place, next 2 is at hundreds place, next 4 is at thousands place. So in this way we will write the next number also. So the digits has to be placed at its place. Okay. According to its places. As the clue word shows that we need to perform addition, we will put plus sign, then we will draw a line. Then we will add. We know that addition, we will start addition from ones place, right? So go to ones place. In ones place, I have 2 digits. 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6, that becomes 12. But we know that at ones place, we cannot write 12 two digits at a single place, right? So here 2 is at ones place and 1 is at tens place. So at ones place, I will write the ones place digit, and here ones place digit is 2. So at below ones place, I will write 2. And what about the digit at the tens place? So this digit I will carry over to tens place. Very simple. Carry over this digit to tens place. Now look at the digits at tens place. At tens place, I have 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2, that becomes 3. Then 3 plus 5, that becomes 8. No carry over this time, only single digit. So below tens place, I will write 8. Now I will move to the next place, that is hundreds place, and I will add the digits that are at hundreds place. 2 plus 3, that becomes 5. I'll write 5 below hundreds place. Now I'll move to thousands place. At thousands place, I have 4 plus 2, and 4 plus 2, that becomes 6. So I'll write 6 at thousands place. Got it? So the answer is 6582. Now equals to 6582 persons. This is called leveling. Okay, if I write 6582 and I will not level it, then we cannot understand what this 6582 represents. So 6582 persons. You have to level it. Okay. Answer. Number of persons who watched the match in all were 6582. I hope this is clear to you all. Next question. One lorry carried 4,567 bamboo poles and another lorry carried 4,356 bamboo poles. Find the total number of bamboo poles carried by the two lorries. See, here the clue word is total, right? That means we need to perform addition. Solution statements, as you know, we will directly take it from the question. So, number of bamboo poles carried by the first lorry equals to 4,567. Next statement, number of bamboo poles carried by the second lorry equals to 4,356. As the clue word shows, we need to perform addition. So, we will add these two numbers. Total number of bamboo poles carried by them equals to 4,567 plus 4,356. Draw a line. Write the places ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Then put the number digits at its correct place. 4,567. 4,000, that means 4 will be placed below thousands. 5 below 100. 60. 6 below tens. 7 below ones. Placing the digits at the correct place is must. So be careful while writing the number. Each digit should be placed at its correct place. Now next number also we will write. Next number written. Now I will put the plus sign. Now I will draw a line. Now I will add. We know that we will add from ones place. Correct? Always start adding from ones place. So at ones place I have 7 and 6. So I will add 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6 equals to 13. As we know, 13 cannot be written below ones place. Okay, only single digit can be written. So, 3 is at ones place and 1 is at tens place. So, I will write 3 below ones place and tens place digit I will carry over to tens place. Now, look at the digits below tens place. Now, we will add the digits that are below tens place. 1 plus 6 equals to 7. Then 7 plus 5 equals to how much? 7 plus 5 equals to 12. Now 12 cannot be written below tens place. Two digits we cannot write below a single place. We know we have added the digits below tens place. So 2 is at tens place. 2 is at tens place and 1 is at hundreds place because the digits that we have added from the tens place. So we will start writing from tens place. This is tens place digit and this is hundreds place digit, right? And we will write the digit which is below tens place at tens place, that is 2, and the digit that is below hundreds place, that will be carried over to hundreds place. Correct? Now look at the digits that are below hundreds place. 1 plus 5, that is 6. 6 plus 3, that is 9. So I will write 9 below hundreds place. Now go to the thousands place. At thousands place I have 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 equals to 8. Correct? So the answer is 8,923. So equals to 8,923 bamboo poles. Answer: total number of bamboo poles carried by the two lorries are 8,923. Now go to the next question. There are 3 primary schools in a city. There are 2,000, 2,550 and 1,490 pupils in these schools. How many pupils are there in all? Did you get the clue word? Yes, the clue word is all. It shows we need to perform addition. Now solution. Statements, we will directly take it from the question. So number of pupils are there in the first school equals to 2,000. Number of pupils are there in the second school equals to 2,550. Number of pupils are there in the third school equals to 1,490. Now, this clue word shows we need to perform addition. So, we will add these 3 numbers. So, number of pupils are there in all equals to 2,000 plus 2,550 plus 1,490. Now draw a line and write the places: ones, tens, hundreds and thousand, and write the numbers according to its places. Okay, digits that has to be placed below its correct place. 2,000, that means 2 is at thousands place, at hundreds place 0, tens place 0 and ones place 0. Accordingly, write the next number 2,550 and the next one is 1,490. Written? So I need to put a plus sign because I need to perform addition. Then draw a line. Now we know that we will start adding from ones place. So at ones place I have 0 plus 0 plus 0. We know that 0 plus 0 plus 0, that becomes 0. Now I will move to tens place. And at tens place I have 0 plus 5. 0 plus 5, that becomes 5 only. 5 plus 9. Then 5 plus 9 equals to 14. Correct? 14. Now I have added the digits which are at tens place. So 14 cannot be placed below tens place. So 4 is at tens place and 1 is at hundreds place because this number I got it by adding, after adding the digits which are at tens place. So 4 is at tens place and at hundreds place 1. Correct? So below ones place I have 0 and at tens place which digit is there? 4. So I will write 4 below tens place and 1 which is at hundreds place, that I will carry over to hundreds place. Now I will move to hundreds place and I will add the digits which are at hundreds place. So 1 plus 0, that becomes 1. Then 1 plus 5, that becomes 6. 6 plus 4, that becomes 10. 6 plus 4 becomes 10. Now I cannot write 10 at hundreds place as I have added the digits which are at hundreds place. So 0 is at hundreds place and 1 is at thousands place. Right? Now I will write the digits which is at hundreds place below hundreds place, and the thousands place digit I will carry over to thousands place. Correct? I hope all of you understood this. Now I will move to thousands place and I will add the digits which are below thousands place. 1 plus 2, that becomes 3. 3 plus 2, that becomes 5. 5 plus 1, that becomes 6. So I will write 6 below thousands place. Okay, and this is the sum, 6040. Now I will put a line below this and equals to 6040 pupils. Answer: there are 6040 pupils. Right? I hope all of you understood this. Next question. Mr. Gupta bought a video game for 2,800 rupees and a mobile for 2,790 rupees and a camera for 3,410 rupees. Right? How much did he pay in all? Look at this clue word. I got the clue word. It shows I need to perform addition. And sign of addition is plus. Now I will write solution. Write the statements. Correct? And statements, as we have already discussed, I will take it from the questions. I will take it from the question. So the cost of the video game equals to rupees 2,800. Then mobile. Cost of the mobile equals to 2,790. Next, camera. Cost of the camera equals to rupees 3,410. Now this clue word shows we need to perform addition. Correct? Total cost equals to rupees 2,800 plus rupees 2,790 plus rupees 3,410. Now draw a line, write the places. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands, and place the numbers. 2,800. Next number 2,790. I hope all of you know how to place the numbers. Next one is 3,410. Okay. See ones place. The ones place digits are below ones place. So in the same way you need to write. Now put plus sign. Now draw a line. Now we will add. All of you know that we need to do addition from ones place. So 0 plus 0 plus 0, that becomes 0. Now move to tens place. 0 plus 9. 0 plus 9, that becomes 9. 9 plus 1, that equals to 10. We have already discussed that I will put 0 below tens place and 1 I will carry over to hundreds place. Now I will move to hundreds place and I will add the digits that are below hundreds place. 1 plus 8 equals to 9. Then 9 plus 7 equals to 16. I will keep 16 in my mind, and 16 plus 4 equals to 20. 20. That means 0 I will put below hundreds place, and 2 I will carry over to thousands place. Now I will move to thousands place and I will add the digits that are below thousands place. So 2 plus 2 becomes 4. 4 plus 2 that becomes 6. 6 plus 3 that becomes 9. So I will write 9 below thousands place. Correct? And the answer is 9,000. Then I will draw a line. Then I will move to the solution side. I'll write equals to rupees 9,000. Answer, he paid rupees 9,000. I hope all of you understood this. Now you can solve word problems. Thank you.